In this video, we're going to be looking at working backwards to find the radius in circles. So in this question here, we need to work out the radius, and we've been given the circumference. So in any question that you need to work backwards in, whether it be an applied measure or another subject, always write out what we know first. So we know our circumference, and then we know that the formula for circumference is 2 pi times radius. So we know that 2 pi times radius is equal to 22 in this question. And in this question, our radius is x. So we have 2 pi times x equals 22. Now, solving an equation, and if let's say you had 2x equals 10, you know you divide by 2 then. So x will be equal to 10 over 2, so x will be equal to 5. So you know those basics. So we're going to do the exact same thing here. So x now is equal to, so we have 2 pi in front of x, so we'll have 22 divided by 2 pi. And when we do that, x then will be equal to 3.5, correct to 1 decimal place. Okay, so that's if we're given the circumference. Let's have a look now if we're given the area. Okay, so here we have an area of 28.3. So like any of these questions that we need to work backwards, let's write out what we know first. So we know the formula for area, and that is pi times radius squared. And in this question, the area is equal to 28.3. So in this question, our radius is x, so we have pi times x squared equals 28.3. Now I have pi in front of my x squared, so let's bring that across and divide. So x squared equals 28.3 all over pi. Now to get rid of the square root, we need to square root both sides. So then x is equal to the square root of 28.3 all over pi. So then x will be equal to 3 centimeters, correct to 1 decimal place. Okay, and that's it. So just remember, in any of these questions that you need to work backwards in, write out what you know, sub in anything that you can to what you're given, and then just solve an equation. And that's it.